I just arrived home from the gun show, guys, and this is a great gun show for me today. Look what I got, and I have now 500 rounds 9mm ammo to blast the range with my new Glock 19. Here you go. This is now the second day of the event. We are heading to the Ahern Gun Show, and I hope I can get my Glock 19 now. We will try to transfer in my possession in my name, because you know, during the pandemic, without any documents, I'm not qualified to buy a gun, and Bon suggesting me to buy a gun for me to use in the range with his possession. But today I'm happy to know that Bon will finally transfer this gun to me. Thank you, Bon, for the Glock 19. I just exit from the freeway. Malapit lang naman yung gun show, guys, kasi itong venue is yung nasa left side ko. This is the Ahern Hotel. Parang bagong palit yung pangalan ng hotel na to, guys, kasi yung mga ibang nakakausap ko is I think this is the Dragon Hotel daw dati, I don't know. Gun show today, free food. Oh wow. Oh, that is true. Dahil nga i-transfer na namin ni Bon yung Glock 19 para sa aking pangalan, I have to fill up now for the background check. Ayan. Ayan na yung Glock 19, guys. I-process na yung transfer from Bon papunta sa akin. Ito, guys, pa-cake ng gun show kung mag-attend ka. Free cake. Yan. So finally, eto na. May Glock 19 is release. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Or the buyer.
Oh. Yeah.
sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow! Eto na guys, finally. Nakuha na natin itong Glock 19. Yeah. With 2 magazine.
Tatlo.
3. Yeah, 3. Woohoo!
Bala na lang kulang.
Yeah, this is so nice. We can blast this on the range.
Tingnan mo na yun. Tingnan mo na.
Ganda nito.
Ilagay na ako. O sige.
Yeah, Glock 19. Yeah, Gen 5. Thank you, Bon.